Pretty soon we'll get the answer to what we're looking for. Are we going to bounce or just keep going down? Market makers, make it bounce. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, bingo bango.
Yeah. We in the charts again. Support line looks like it's holding. Market makers, make it bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce. Make it bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce. Late night sessions, eyes glued to the screen. Charts looking heavy, but we move like a machine. Candles playing tricks, yeah, they trap the whole crowd. Wick hitting the lows, portfolio getting plowed. Liquidity pockets, that's where they hunt. Fake breakdown stops, getting hit, eating your lunch. Market makers be sneaky just like a mouse. Traders just looking for that bounce. Bounce, back. Wrist tight, stop loss, snug, protect the bag, don't get rug, greed to get you wrecked, that's facts, no doubt, take them profits, that's what this game's about. Market makers make it bounce, support level, get respect, now we pounce, hold it level, this is where it counts, market makers make it bounce, bounce, don't freeze when it drops, just glance, see the zone, that's our chance, take your profit, don't trade with greed, or else your portfolio will surely bleed. Market makers target stops, taking retail's lunch, then pump it high like a savage punch, double bottom looking like a bounce. Know the skies, candle close after retesting, the breakout is all prize, volume spike, that's your cue, ride it clean, take what's due, smart money flows where the weak get shook. We be reading the charts, they be reading the book, don't pray for luck, that's a clown's route, traders joining groups, do the mentors, know what they talking about. If you ain't got a stop loss, you already lost. Risk small, think big, calculate that cost. Support ain't a guess, it's a level of defense. Bounce plays pay when your logic makes sense. Market makers make it bounce. Support level, get respect, now we pound. Squeeze the villain, patience the crown. Market makers play, they run the town. But when you learn their game, announce price finding the support level now, make it bounce. Market makers make it bounce. Price it low and renounce. Take them profits, no remorse. Move like a shark, stay on course. Market makers make it bounce. Watch that wig, no flounce. Stay disciplined, stay profound. Market makers make it bounce. Charts tell stories, emotions scream loud. The wise stay patient, the greedy heads in the clouds. Market makers be sneaky like a mouse, while traders looking for that bounce. Market makers make it bounce. Yeah.
All right, guys, let's make it bounce. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. Well, I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. I'm dressed warmly, and I tell you what's on fire. Altcoins. OMG. Market makers. Good Lord, what the heck are you doing? On the daily, we have crypto bubbles. DCR, don't know what this one is. Up 71%. Do I want to get in? No, thanks. Maybe to short it. Dash. I'm looking for a short, guys. I am looking for a short on Dash. I tried to front run it twice already and got stopped out. Got stopped out trying to front run it. Of course, I've been telling the group about this one. When to set the alerts, all that fun stuff. But I'm trying to front run it. And I just got into another entry. But we will see if I get stopped out. I moved my stop loss to almost break even. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see here. Everything else, man, where's the alt season? No alt season. Can some of these coins pump? For example, this or this? Yes, definitely. However, the odds are not in our favor. You know, unless you're in 20, 40, 80 coins, sure, you may have one or two that pumps. But then you have very little money in those. It's on the hourly time frame. Nothing looking too hot. We did a bonus stream earlier today at 12. Just kind of going a recap really quick. Altcoin season index 31, yesterday 33, last week 30. 67 last month. Liquidity is on the 24-hour time frame. We're going to refresh it one more time just for good luck. We got Melissa in the house. What's up, Melissa? Appreciate you for being here. 24-hour time frame. Got some liquidation levels up top. 39 million, 38 million, 38 million. Sitting right at 1085. We have a really nice hotspot right here. If I can put my cursor on it. 45 million, sitting at 1047. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. And on the 12-hour time frame, lots of liquidity on the downside. More so on the downside than the up. Does this mean we're going to go down? No. However, there's a higher chance due to the fact that market makers love to make money. How do they make money? By getting you stopped out. So if the price breaks this level, about 1057, 1058, the chance of us getting stopped out or liquidated, if you have stops down here, very high. Does it mean that it will come here? Nope, sure doesn't. Let's go to look for the let's go 3-day. Bigger time frame. And lots of liquidations down here. 44 million. Okay, that's all we want to look at that. Let's look at Clash really quick since we get a bunch of people asking for this one. Prices come down. When prices here, we're saying, you know, it'd be best if it comes up, down, and then up, breaks the pivot. Then we can enter the trade, especially above this area, which would be here as well. But so far, it just continues to go down, being very boring at the moment. There's no other ones that I see. Let's come over here to a Bitcoin. This might be a fast show, guys. Let's put our timer on 10 minutes. Joe, are you messing around? No, we'll do timer 10 minutes. If we get more people in here, if we get questions, comments, concerns, issues, coins, then of course it'll be longer. But if not, it's fine. I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do. So of course we do have our live streams now at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. And once again, if there's not a lot of questions or what, I just go about my day. Where is the timer on this thing? Timer. 10 minutes are started. Hey, we got Chris in the house. What's up, Chris? Appreciate you, man, being here. So we have Bitcoin. This is on the 15-minute time frame. We're going to zoom out in just a moment. A price was here. After this really nice run up, it is not surprising to see the price come down because it went up. So did I know the price was to come down here? No, sure didn't. But the higher it goes, the greater chance of it coming down. So it moved pretty nicely compared to what it's been doing. So here, when the price was here, I'm thinking we might come down. And this is what I was thinking, you know, we might come down, then maybe come up just to fake everybody out and then start breaking the lows. This is what we don't want to see. We don't want to see the lows being broken if we're in longs. We don't want to see it going lower. If we're in shorts, yes, definitely break the lows. Let's go. Then when the price came down here, it was right here. Now I'm thinking, okay, maybe we may come up to here about this level. I don't know. And come down, then come up and do this just to get all the people who are shorting, get them liquidated. And right now, I mean, it's easy to see after the fact. And oh my gosh, man, do I see a bunch of traders that are on YouTube. Oh yes, look at this level and this is when you want to short. Yeah, yes, I agree. But like they say it so confidently, but if the price would have went up, oh look, we're in this range and we broke it's like, come on, man, really? Anyway, so price was here. I'm thinking, you know, potentially we may get so price is here. It did come down really quick to come up further, to come down. And right now it's still kind of in limbo. Still in limbo. Hey, we got Oceans in the house. What's up, man? What's going on? Appreciate you. Let's go, TI gang. Yes, definitely. Appreciate you very much. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't have too many viewers, and normally I don't mess around. If the viewers are low or if there's not questions or coins, I leave. Give you all a heads up. Joe, that's not very professional. It is. All right, moving on. But yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any coins, let me know. Just don't ask for like 7 coins or nothing like that. On the 4-hour time frame, this was on the 30th. We were back over here. And instead of saying, I think we're gonna come down, because we already came down, I'm thinking we might come up to about this area, and we did. To come down to about this area, we did. To potentially bounce around here, and We are. Now, granted, do I know what's going to happen? Nope, sure don't. Granted, when we were here, I'm thinking we could also do this just because it didn't come down. I want to see it come up and down. But because it went up and then sideways, now I'm thinking, okay, we may be loading up. So if we come down maybe to here to come up and then we break. So these are my levels. You know, this is good if it creates this pivot. If it creates this pivot down here, then, well, this is more than likely coming down. Again, I don't know what's going to happen. Tommy 2 liters in the house. What's up, man? Let's see here. Sorry, I'm late from grocery. Buy some coffee. Oh, caffeine. Love it. I love it. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Thank you guys for smashing the like. You guys are the best. Smashing the like really does help support the channel. Not only that, but all the interactions you do with the video, whether it's commenting here on the live stream or on my videos that I have, it really helps support the channel. And for me, I'm not trying to get over on you. You know, I'm not trying to, you know, buy my course and I'll show you how to trade. No, I'll show you right now. So again, ask me questions. Verify that I know what I'm doing. That's the big thing. Verify. All right, daily time frame. Let's kind of zoom out. Let's hide all this junk. Let's hide all this junk. Get out of here, junk. We got more junk. Get out of here, junk. Good Lord, how much junk do I got? Okay, so that's hidden. Where's this at? Let's just delete that. Where are these at? Like this? Yep. Ridiculous. Too many drawings. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this fresh set of eyes. Fresh set of eyes. We're going to look at this. And this is what I recommend doing. Normally, I delete this stuff. But I try to save it just so I can look back at it the following day to see if my thought process was right. Sometimes they're spot on. It's scary. And sometimes I'm way off. So that just shows you that I don't know. And I tell you too, I don't know which way it's going to go. There's a lot of YouTubers out there like, oh yeah, you know, man, get out of here, dude. It doesn't matter about money flow. It doesn't matter about all this stuff. I mean, price can do whatever it wants. Now we have a higher likelihood that it might do something. That's why sometimes I'm spot on. And then sometimes I'm like, because, you know, whether divergence or whatever, but anyway. Ocean says, you one of the best TA on the internet, TI. Keep up the good work. Oh, thank you, man. Check's in the mail. Check is in the mail. What does that mean, Joe? You know, you. Thank you, Ocean. Appreciate you, man. Let's see here. So for Bitcoin, this is our bounce zone. This is our bounce zone. We created it way over here from the candle bottoms to this candle bottom. So we created this zone. And sure enough, it works out very well. Now these levels that I find, they're very important. And sure enough, we came down here, we bounced, came down into it and we bounced, came right to it on the lower time frame and we bounced. And right now, if we extend this, this is where we're bouncing currently. Now, really, man, I really love what OC said. I just finished watching OC on Piper Academy, an amazing channel. And he said that in reference to, you know, is the cycle over? Is Bitcoin done? You know, all that fun stuff. Well, what we would need to do, and he has his own trend lines. He actually has a channel where it's in a channel. But for me, I don't. But what I really like what he said, and this is so important, like we need to be aware of these levels. And so if we break down and come up and then get rejected and start coming down, there's a pretty high chance that potentially it may be done. Now for me, this is my pivot point. Because now it's going to be decision, are we going to come back and attack this to come back and, you know, go up? Or are we just going to roll over, attack this, and then continue lower? Because if you look here, there's a lot for all the liquidity traders out there. A lot of liquidity sitting on down here. Lots of it. So just to let you know right now, you know, these levels that I've done, they've pretty much held up, pretty much. So right now what I'm looking at is hopefully we bounce. And what I'm really, and let's go to the 4-hour time frame just so we can kind of see this. What I really want to see is what's going to happen next. In the next, I'd say 12 hours to maybe day. Are we going to do something like this where we come up to about here, come down, decision point, come up here to break this, maybe come down a little bit because we have a little bit of zone right here to come up. So now what we're doing is we're going to fight for this next level. This is what we're looking for. Or are we going to just roll over from here? Let's see, up, down, up, do something like this. Maybe bounce here. I don't know. I mean, we had our bounce here. We had our bounce here. I don't think this is like a plan C. I need to see more price action. See here. I'm looking over here. So whenever I'm doing these levels, it's not just random. Like they're very strategic. I guess we can do right here. And come up, do a lower high. Oh, we're already here. Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Believe. Oh yeah. So you see this blue line right here? So it matches with this top. And again, these lines too, these are from the second cycle. Top to top, candle body to candle body, candle wick to candle wick. So this is what I'm looking at. I really want this to be plan A. I like making money going up. So I'm gonna check to see how many people we have here. The timer just went off. But I really want, I like making money on the way up. I feel dirty making money on the way down. So let's just go ahead and fix this. Man. So we do have bullish divergence in the 4-hour. We have a low, higher low. We have a low, lower low. So bullish divergence. The area that I'm really concerned about on the 4-hour time frame is this tiny little area right here. Concerned about this area. So if we break through it, I'm looking for a bounce like in the middle of it to break up. What do I think is going to happen? Ooh, this, you know, I don't, this is ugly to me, but traders out there, they will see this as a shoulder, head, shoulder. I know, this is ugly. This is just ugly. Pattern traders, they like to squint their eyes and force patterns. Hopefully you're not one of them, and if you are, hopefully you get better. And this little area right here is really concerning to me. Let's extend this out. Look at that. It's concerning to me. It's sort of like doing, just extending it out, see where else it matches up to. Hey, Crypto Coin Mindset in the house. What's up, buddy? I think we're gonna finish the stream already. Oh yeah, we're gonna finish the stream. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yeah, one thing with me, like if I don't have any views, I leave. So we touching grass from, yeah, man, we have to. Yeah, I believe so. Just kind of sit on our hands, and we're gonna miss moves. We're gonna miss moves. So what do I think's going to happen? I'm gonna have to wait for like 12 hours or at least to see if we come up, down, and then if we do this number, then it's on. Let's go. You know, hopefully these coins will go up. But if we get this rollover here and then continues down, this is what I'm waiting for. And I hate doing this too. I hate doing all these like, oh, we could do this, this, or this. But right now, like we don't have a direction, in my opinion. We don't have a direction. So yeah, I'd have to wait. Let me just show you this. Ah, come on, man. Come on. Did I get stopped out? No, not yet. Where's my stop loss? Stop loss at 119. Ooh, I'm barely gonna. Ooh, here's where my stop loss is at. 119.09. And here I'm thinking we may come up to about here. But anyway, this Dash went up a whole bunch. But I'm looking to short it. You know, it broke this level. So here, the price was here. I tried to front run this turnover and came up, almost hit me, my stop loss. Didn't do it. Came down, went into this zone, which is perfect. Then I'm looking for it to break down here, and it didn't. So I was like, oh crap, broke this level. Oh crap, stop me out. Dang it. Then it's doing this number, and I think I entered here. Even the break before the break of this. Again, I'm trying very aggressive. I entered the top. I entered here, the top of the range traders. I entered up here, the very top, and it's coming down. Awesome, coming up, not a problem. And then boom, stopped out. Come on. Then it did this number, and then I entered somewhere up here too. And then, but my stop is I moved it about 119.09. So we'll see. We'll see if I can stop that again. If I do, then I just have to wait. But Mega Bounce, mate Damien, what's up, man? That Dash, yeah, it's Dash. Dash for the win. I'm telling you. I'm trying to short it. CCM is really happy that it's mooning right now, but no reason for it to moon. I mean, look at that. Went up crazy amount. Crazy amount. And then pulled back barely, and then crazy amount. All these coins are suffering. And why people are buying into Dash right now after it made over 130%, it's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. Let's see, I think people are strolling in right now. Man, I gotta refresh this because those numbers don't look right. 1 second. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take off. Yeah, so once again, like with me guys, what I do, I share this stuff for free. People don't find value in free. They don't find value. But if I was charging or whatever, then of course I'd have a lot of people. But I give it for free. You know, I show you that I know what I'm doing. Do I lose? Sure, of course. I talk about my losses, but I also show you the wins. I show you how to win. But if I'm not selling the course, I guess people don't like it. But it is what it is. All right, well, that's it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. Just remember, we go live every single night from here on out. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do bonus as well. The bonus streams, I'm going to do one on Wednesday right after CCM's show. So we go live there at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. Then we come in and we do mine at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard. I do thank you guys very much. Me Damon says, I tried shorting it at 110 and got stopped out. Yeah, same. Yeah, for no reason. Like, who are the... Like, this is new money. Oh, it went up 130%. Let me buy it. That's new money. Where are they at? That's what I'm saying. But Mike says, I find value in you, Joe. Oh, thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, but most people don't. But I do thank you guys very much. I have many memberships to the gyms, groups, etc. but never used. You're funny. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video. Once again, I don't mess around with this stuff. If nobody's, I mean, I value you guys. I really do. But if the numbers aren't up, just catch me tomorrow. Ask me questions. All right. Thank you, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care.